Hi there, Bob and Lou, Two Old Guys Garage. It is December 17th, 2024. This is the Anglia Street Rod project, and I think it's part 43. I don't know. I'll have to check when I get home. Anyway, what we've been working on today is a windshield wiper. And what we've done is we got an electric motor with a park position and all that crap. And we looked at and don't really see it getting mounted down on the low side because there's too many curves. So what we've done today is we've drilled, we've made an aluminum spacer to put it to the right depth, screwed it all together to see how it looks, and it looks all right. So what's next is we're going to fabricate a 3-wire cable to connect it up and then do some adjustments to make sure that it parks right, its sweep is right, and all that other crap that goes with that. But it looks like it'll work okay. So what else have we done? Oh, you worked on the back window, didn't you, Lou? Oh yeah, Lou has worked on filling in this void here. All right, so that's been improved. Oh yeah, what else? We've been in communication with Smash Palace in New Zealand.
Yeah.
And what's going on there?
Okay, Barbara has got the moldings for the windows, and she also has the ones for the back window, side windows. So I told her just send me the whole bunch.
Yeah.
And I don't know how much it's going to cost for it, but you know.
So we found out they're not steel, right?
No, they're not steel. They're
Plastic or some sort?
some kind of plastic or something that they made them out of.
Yeah.
So anyhow, bills will be coming probably in a couple of weeks, and getting there slow but sure.
Yeah. Well, well, I think that's about it. So, as I said already, right, we had to make a spacer to get the right depth. That's that aluminum piece there. You see that round thing? And we're going to modify it a little bit more so that it doesn't contact on the upper and lower surface of the body curve. And speaking about machining spacers, while I was here the other day with my grandson, great-grandson, here's a little machine work. The piece that does this was pot metal, right?
Yeah.
And it was well old
And they
and
busted.
screwed up, so Lou just went and made a new piece, like he's capable of doing with the machine. All right, so like I said, this is, I think it's part 43, and that would be segment 1. I'll verify that when I get home. But I think I'm going to cut this short. I'm still waiting for a tie rod to replace the drag link tie rod on the 32 where I did the steering on the Corvette box, but it's been screwed up between DHL shipping to the post office shipping to me. It's supposed to be here last week, 13th. It's supposed to be here today, but so far I don't see any signs of it. All right, so at that point I'm going to end this. We'll see you all later.
Okie dokie. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello out there. It's December 19th, 2024. This is Bob and Lou from the Two Old Guys Garage. And what we've done basically is finished the install of the windshield wiper. Lou, you want to turn it on?
Yeah.
There it is. The electric motor. Okay, shut it off. And it's got a park position. We had to take the electric motor apart. It came default for an 80-degree sweep and changed the gearing inside to make it sweep 110 degrees. Lou had fabricated a temporary wire cable to make it run and ordered some other wire, but we're going to stay with this wire since it's already made. And he will, you'll fiberglass it in?
Yeah.
Along through here. And then we have yet to get a block of wood in here, right?
Yeah, do something. Put a spacer in there.
Well, if you glue a block of wood, then you can screw into the block of wood.
Yeah.
We got it pretty tight. Works pretty good. All right, so what else we got going, Lou?
Right now, that's about it. I need to get these side windows trimmed out.
Oh yeah, you haven't got the glass installed yet.
What I'm gonna do is make another template. That line is, I gotta give it a little bit more. And I'll make a template and put it in here and mark it in here. And then I can run the saber saw inside because this is all nice and flat. So I got a flat surface to cut from.
Okay.
Instead of trying to do here where I can't get.
Yeah, where this would.
Yeah,
this
that's
would
right in the way. Here it
bump
won't be in the way. But I can get a real nice cut. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So get those,
That'll
get that
work.
cut out, and then get the glass guy over here. And I got templates. Give him the templates. And have him make me some glass.
So you'll probably do the same shade, the dark.
Yeah, it'll be the same shade as that.
Match the shade as the of the 2 door windows that we already got. Which are those? And it doesn't look that dark when you pick it up. I think we showed that in an earlier video. All right, so we're pretty much up to snuff then, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so let's see. This would be, I think, part 43, segment 2, something like that. Again, I'll correct it when I get home, and I think I'll put this out because we do have an earlier section where we started the windshield wiper. So it is, as I said, the 19th. My gosh,
Christmas long, man.
Christmas is here, right?
Yeah.
Gosh, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna call this one quits, and it's bloody cold out there today. It was down to freezing. It's since warmed up to about 48, which isn't too bad. I did get on the coupe. I did get the new drag link tie rod end painted, and when it dries out, I'll install that on the coupe, and then finish up, maybe publish M2 on the coupe as well. All right, so that's it, everybody. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Lou?
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's if we don't get to you before the end of the year.
Okay, take care, everybody out there. Catch you all later.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.